Yo, what's up everybody? Leigh here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about on how to prepare for a performance. Let's get started.
Perfect.
So, my process in terms of how I prepare for a show, I have numerous steps. You know, step one, I come into the theater, I go into the dressing room, I kind of lay out my stuff, whether it's my knee pads, my shoes. I'll definitely go to like the rack where the costumes are, and I'll just make sure my costumes are good. I'll bring it near to my station in case I'm sharing it with other people. I'll make sure that my costumes are in my station, so then therefore I'm in order. After that, when the stage is clear to get on, what I like to do is kind of move around with the shoes that I have for the performance. It's very important that you have the shoes for when you're performing, because you don't want to feel something that is either uncomfortable or foreign once you hit that stage and the lights are on you, right? Once I get there, I'll move around there. Might even, if I have enough time, I might just dance on there with AirPods, listen to some music. But then right before I leave, before the stage goes dark, what I like to do is I like to go to every corner of the stage, and I just do my own little like blessing, in the sense of asking the universe, the higher power, the angels above, the dance ancestors, to just kind of look over myself and look over the dancers, and let us just have a great show. So I'll hit like stage right, stage left, up stage right, and then I'll go into the very middle, and then I'll touch the floor and just kind of feel the vibrations of the floor if I can, and then from there I'll just be like, all right, let's have a good show. After that, what I like to do is put on the costumes. I probably will drink something, whether it's electrolytes, water. I might even take a protein bar right before, because I know that gives you good energy, and it's really important to make sure that you're fueled with good energy and you're hydrated, because you're just about to sweat your butt off. And then I'll get up on the side of the stage, of course with the other dancers. What I like to do is find maybe another corner and just do my own little meditation, my own prayer. Because I feel like if you keep being in tune with yourself, I feel like it's really beneficial for you once you hit the stage. After that, I go find every dancer that is sharing the stage with me. I think it's very important to make sure you give love. So whether it's a dap, whether it's a hug, and you just wish them a good show, because you want to make sure that when you hit on stage with the people that you're sharing it with, you all are on the same page for that hour and a half or 2 hours of the show, and we're all zoned in together, and it just brings that unification. So I always make sure I go around the stage, find all the dancers, give them love, wish them a great show, and then I always tell everybody, whoever's in the huddle, you know, I was like, all right, let's clock in. And I think that's been something for me that I've been doing for a good 5-6 years now, with my company specifically, and just other dancers, but mainly for myself. When I say clock in, it's like, all right, it's time to do the job. It's time to do the job that you were blessed to do, that you have the opportunity to do, and make sure you do its service. Yeah, so when we clock in, it's like a switch, bam, right away. It's like, yo, there's no more distractions. It's clocking in, it's zoning in, and we about to get busy. When that happens, hit my position from off stage. When the lights go out and the stage manager says positions, it's go time and it's show time. And that is probably one of the most happiest moments is for me, is when I'm on stage with my loved ones, with my family, my dancers, and we get to do what we love to do. For me, these steps, the process leading up to the show, has always put me in a good mental space, emotional space, and then therefore physical space. So if we're good all around, I feel like you're better off to have a better show. Now, this is my process. Everybody can have their own process. You could do half of these things. You could do maybe more than these things, but I would say try to have a process. Try to have a cycle. Try to have something so then when you vision it, it's exactly the way it's supposed to be. And then therefore, I think most of the time you have a good show. All right, y'all, that's it for today. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribing, please hit that subscribe button. And we hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.